what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can watch every season games all along on your MLB. So first of all, you're going to have to launch your Chrome and then directly search for MLB Games Schedule 2026. Then you will see this has been updated like 10 hours ago. So go ahead and open up that site. At the section you can see news, scores, schedule, and stats. So likewise, you can go ahead and do that. And if you have not yet purchased a package, tap this three-bar icon, select MLB TV and buy a package. If you would like to view the previous seasons of this game, you may go ahead and search for it. All you have to do is type in MLB game and the year, and as you do that, you will be able to see it in the search result. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt, and then you will be able to view all the matches all along. So this is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.